We want to focus on a story that is likely to cause conversation in the country for some time to come. A High Court ruling that granted a father custody of his children is a big win for fathers who more often than not find themselves with the shorter end of the stick in parenting disputes, that is, enjoying only visitation rights. According to the court, parental responsibility should not automatically go to women when children are of tender age. This comes following a court battle between an estranged couple that saw the mother seek to relocate her sons to the United States against the father's wishes of having them continue residing in Kenya. Raquel Mugai has more details on this story.
Child custody is always an emotive issue when the relationship between the parents turns sour. The court is always guided by two principles, that of the child's tender years and the child's best interest, while making a determination on which parent to grant actual custody. Under the tender years principle, case law is, for example, a child under the age of 10 is at first instance to be given to the mother unless it can be proven that the mother is unable to take care of the child or is even a threat to the child. In the case of a court battle between parents codenamed as SMM, the mother, and AAK, the father, Judge Joel Ngugi ruled in favor of the father, granting actual physical custody of the two minors, one aged 15 years and the other 9 years. According to Nakuru High Court Judge Joel Ngugi, while the court did not find the mother to be an unsuitable parent, her suitability must be weighed with other factors, such as the fact that the children have been in actual custody of the father for the last 4 years, her intention to relocate to the US, and the difficulty that would clearly be occasioned by the father in accessing the minors or enforcing any orders granted by court outside the jurisdiction. SMM and ANK officially divorced on the 20th of November 2011 and at the time had only one child aged 3. Upon their divorce, primary custody was granted to the mother. The couple was residing in the United States. According to court documents, their love will rekindle and they bore another child in 2013 but never remarried. The father relocated to Kenya in 2015 as per their plan that was to raise their children in the country. His firstborn son would later join him and enroll in a local school in Nakuru, with the mother and the lastborn child relocating in 2017. She would later leave for the US in 2019 and only come back to Kenya in July of 2021. This time, according to court documents, the mother opted to relocate the children back to the US where they were citizens, a situation that saw the father take the matter to court, as not being a US citizen will prove challenging in the upbringing of their children. Based on the reports by the children officers as well as an interview with the minors, the judge stated that the minors had bonded with their father, the fact that the family support of their kin and kith resided in Kenya, and the fact that their mother voluntarily left both minors in actual custody and care of their father was evidence enough that actual custody be granted to the father. While both parents will have joint custody, that is the responsibility to make inputs in the major decisions of the minors, the mother was granted unlimited access during school holidays, as well as on Saturdays when school is in session. Raquel Mugai, Citizen TV.